In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a theme in Blogger. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your blog or starting from scratch, changing the theme in Blogger is a fantastic way to customize your online presence and make your blog visually appealing. Let's dive into the simple steps involved. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Blogger using your Google account. Simply head over to the Blogger website and log in using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Blogger dashboard. If you have multiple blogs under the same account, you'll notice a down arrow in the top left corner. Click on this arrow to bring up a list of all your blogs, and go ahead and select the one you want to work on for this tutorial. Now that you've selected your blog, let's move on to the next step, which is opening the theme section. You'll find this on the left sidebar of the Blogger dashboard. Just look for and click on the Theme option. This is where the magic happens, and where you get to truly personalize the look and feel of your blog. Once in the Theme section, you'll be presented with an array of pre-built themes that Blogger has to offer. There's a wide variety of designs to choose from, so take your time browsing through them. When you find one that resonates with your style or fits the message of your blog, all you need to do is click on your chosen theme. Then, look toward the bottom of the page and click Apply to set this theme for your blog. If you're happy with the new theme as it is, you can stop here. But if you're looking to make it a little more personal, Blogger makes it easy to customize your chosen theme to better fit your vision. Under the My Theme section, you'll see the Customize button. Click on this to access various appearance options. Here, you can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding or personal taste. All these options will be displayed on a handy left side menu for you to adjust. After you've fine-tuned your theme to your satisfaction, don't forget to click the Save button in the bottom right corner to ensure all your changes are preserved. For those of you who have a knack for coding or are looking for more control over the design, there's also an option to dive deeper. By going to More and choosing Edit HTML, you can directly modify the template code of your chosen theme. Just remember to save your changes once you're done. And there you have it, a brand new theme for your Blogger site. With just a few clicks, you've given your blog a refreshing new look that reflects your personal style or brand. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.